Hello everyone and welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you braided nail art design step by step guide. Braids are all the rage when it comes to styling your hair, so why not wear them on your nails? So too, this funky design uses three awesome colors to copy those fun braids you see in many girls' hair, maybe your own as well. Easy yet super stylish, this nail art will have all your friends wondering how you got to be such a fashionista. Style number one. Step number one is start by painting your nails with a silver nail polish. Step number two is using a nail art brush and light blue nail polish. Draw a thick diagonal line from the leftmost corner of your nail to the corner of your nails. Step number three is using the nail art brush and light pink nail polish. Draw a thick diagonal line from the rightmost corner of your nail to the center of your nail. This line should meet the light blue line. Step number four, using the nail art brush and the light blue nail polish. Draw another thick diagonal line right underneath the pink one you just created. Style number style number 5 is using the nail art brush and light pink nail polish. Draw a thick diagonal line from the left side of your nail to the center of your nail. This line should meet the light blue line you just created. Step number 6 is finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here you go, your beautiful design is ready. Now I am okay and back to the this wonderful place, and today I am going to share braided nail art tutorial with all which you requested me. This tutorial was due long back, but because of many health issue I could not post it. The possibility just they are perfect to flaunt a chic look with my kind of outfit. We can even flaunt and braided design on your finger nails. Thank you very much for watching my braided nail art design. If you have any query about this design, please let me comment below. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye, take care, goodbye, see you again later.